Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Kieran. We've got my good friend Ayman here.
Hey man.
How are we doing? Today we are going to collect my new wheels for the Audi S5, which I'm currently sitting in. The wheels are my old work wheels. They were on my previous car, which I currently sold. My plan today is to obviously get them onto this car. I know the brakes on the S5 are actually a little bit bigger, and so are the calipers. So the main aim is I'm going to be test fitting them to the huge brakes, yes. But I'm going to be test fitting them to the car, and then if they fit, if they clear the arches, if I've got good fitment, I will be buying them.
And you will be happy.
That's the plan. That's the plan. The S5 just aired out at the minute. We're currently just running the standard wheels, so as you can see, these brakes are my worry. So as they are quite big, especially compared to the original A5 which I had, and I made the work wheels to fit the A5, so I hope that the brakes clear my concave. So that's my main aim. Obviously I've got loads of gap in the arches. All this gap you can see, I can fit my hand in. All that's going to be taken away because the work wheels are like 10.5 inch wide. These are like probably 9s or 8.5, I'm not sure. I am taking along my 15mm 5112 spacers. So I've got the option now if I want to get the wheels on poke fitment, or hopefully they tuck, but obviously I've got the option there, so I am taking them along. I've got all my nuts in the bag as well. Not my nuts down there, but obviously in the bag. Yeah, so everything I've got, everything I need. All ready for the test fit?
All ready.
All your bolts out?
Yeah, all the bolts are.
Just need to...
Just
on there for
get it away from everything. Really.
Yeah, they're all the same size. It's just really from side to side. Apart from that, they're all same.
So I'm hoping that this will just fit on now with no spacer.
Yeah,
for that tuck, because you need a hand. Okay, so yeah, it's going round, ain't it? That's good, ain't it?
Got plenty clearance. Oh, loads of clearance.
Massive.
So just give me bolts.
Okay, bolt.
Do you want the original?
Yeah, I'll use the originals for now, and then.
Or didn't know if they're a bit same length as.
Right, so as we can see, the work Zeist is on. I was wondering would I clear the calipers, but it looks like I've got miles of headroom in there, so I've got the option of running tuck or fitment. If you just stand back and glaze with it, it's just at another level. There we go. I've got the tools for the job. Obviously, direction. Start without them first, and then.
So they're quite wide anyway.
Yeah, they're wide, but like just
when it pulls in. Yeah, just try
with
it.
the poke. Because I know that with obviously ET15, with that it'll be ET0, and I know it will poke.
Yeah, I know the company. I've had loads of offers to buy those.
Have you?
Yeah,
a lot of people used to say to me as well, like, if you can sell them and everything like that. The install company put them in for us. Like,
alright.
So they bought them from Germany, and then install companies made custom subframes that were really low. Don't forget, there's no thingy on that.
That's a good job you didn't pull that space.
Yeah.
If you put space on it, it would have been grim.
Jesus. That's really tight. The wheel's so straight at the front.
Yeah, it's touching, but.
Is it?
Yeah, just. If you fit, look, it's sat on here, look, it's sat on.
Yeah, so it's tight actually.
I mean.
Spacer we're gonna block it.
It's not doing any damage if you keep going slow.
Yeah, but obviously he goes down at his own speed, doesn't it? That's the thing. Like, but I'm chuffed with the way it looks. But I'm just thinking like, choke or tug. 100%, I'm happy with the wheel. That's not a problem. I'm just going to stick the other two on, get an idea, and then that's it. The wheels are on, my work wheels, these, I'm absolutely over the moon with them. They're tucking, just these two wheels, killer, can't ask for anything more. Just put the spacers on, just for the poke fitment at the shows, so we'll see what happens.
Tyre at that. It's nearly rim fitment. If you put tyre shine on it and stretch it would space it, you'd get rim.
Over the moon, man, look at it. My wheels are back. I'm gonna get the camber and adjust it. There's an eccentric bolt on the back, and that can be adjusted. I think you can get about 2-3 degrees negative to make this wheel just tuck in a little bit more, because the wheel's so straight at the back, but the front there's a lot of natural camber on the front. A5s have a lot of natural camber, so.
This side, I think. Just put your wheels in lock. Move this side.
What about the back? Can I go behind the back?
No, it's fine.
The back is alright.
Just check the other side. Where's Iman? Check the other side. I think it's about 30 on each side. Just that's it. That's it.
This is sitting on this one now.
Yeah, but
It's just about like that.
yeah, I'm gonna have to make that my setting. Iman, you know my my presets, they're wrong, because obviously you know the stock wheels, my preset was different on them, so I don't know how do I save the new preset? Oh yeah, middle one. Oh, got it, yes. So now they're all green, now I can just preset.
I think you didn't
Press and hold, saved, yes. Okay, so so we're just cruising back now, back from Leeds. I hope you enjoyed that video, me putting on my new wheels. They fit like an absolute dream. I couldn't be happier, and you'll probably see this car now at the shows with these wheels on. My old wheels are back. People obviously upgrade their cars, I upgrade to make it look like my old car. So yeah, each to their own, I suppose. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you share, subscribe and like, and we'll catch you soon. Obviously I can't put 94X on it because that's already on my M, so this is the next best bet, 193. Obviously cherish number plate.
What does that stand for?
Stands for,
We'll go for it.
it stands for, I don't know.
Make something up, come on.
I don't know. Ivan, you know how you always say at the end, when you finish with the wheels, when you've got the wheels, it's all, the stance is done. Job done, finish. That's how you say it.